Okay, so we're just going to make up an example here. We've got all right, so here's the situation. We have a 5 kilogram cart that's traveling at 5 meters per second, which really is pretty fast. 5 meters per second is moving. Okay. And it's going to collide with, well, first of all, how much momentum does this have? Yeah, it's this momentum to begin with. P1 equals 25 kilogram meters per second. The clouds are playing with the sun. The light's changing. Okay. Over here we have, what's our momentum of this one? 0, right? 5 times 0 is 0 kilogram meters per second. Okay, so P1 plus P2 equals 25 kilogram meters per second, yeah? So when they collide, and these two are going to collide and they're going to stick together. They're like rail cars. They're going to collide and they're going to join, and they're not going to bounce off. They're going to collide and stick. Okay, what is our total mass now? 10, right? So now we have 10 kilograms, but we don't know how fast it's going. So that's what we're going to try and determine. But we do know that the total momentum beforehand was 25 kilogram meters per second. So okay, well, if they collide, there's two ways of doing this. Either it's 10 kilograms times v, or you recognize that there's each one of them has 5 kilograms times v plus the other 5 kilograms. But if they're traveling together, it's the same v, and so we can factor it out. Does that make sense? Okay, so this would be 10 kilograms times our new velocity. To find our new velocity, we divide by 10. And we get 2.5. Nope. 2.5 meters per second. Would equal our velocity after they collide. Now this should make sense. That if we have this much to work with, it's 25 kilograms is our total, and then all of a sudden we double our mass, then our velocity has to divide by 2, yeah? And 2.5 would be half of 5, yeah? Okay. I'm not going to give you, well, this is called an inelastic collision. Okay. There's another kind of collision where if two objects collide, then they bounce off of each other with the same speeds that they came in with, or something very close. And that's called an elastic collision. And it has to do with the conservation of energy, which we haven't talked about yet. But that's the next unit. Okay, so we haven't talked about energy, right? We just finished up gravity, right? And circular motion. Okay. Okay, so that's the